Here's how to download all your Snapchat memories on your iPhone or Android. Now open up your iPhone or Android and we need to get to your settings within Snapchat and then we can download those memories. So tap on the profile at the top left and then the gear icon at the top right. Now that we're in your settings, we'll be able to download any information that you want, and you can choose to download and export all of your memories to your iPhone or Android and save it into the Files app. To be able to find that, let's scroll down and you're looking for where it says My Data. So scroll down, there it is, My Data. And from here it says available for download. Of course, you can see export your memories at the very top. You can again choose to export whatever you want, your chat history, your shopping history, all that stuff. But let's choose export your memories and request only memories. In this case, I can choose the last month or the last year or all time if I wanted to download all of those memories. And if I scroll down, it says confirm your email. This is the email that they'll email you when that is ready to download. Now just hit the submit button and it will go through the process of creating this. Keep in mind, depending on how many memories you have, this could take anywhere from a couple hours to a couple days, and then you'll just get an email and you'll go back directly on here when it's ready to download. All you need to do is come in here and you'll see the download button and then it will download it into the Files app. So if you don't see it already, you can just go to the app library and just see the Files app and search for it. It'll download it directly into the downloads folder on there.